Wealth, Leadership, and the Latino Brand. As we wrap up the year, I'm grateful to say that the Latino Brand series has racked up over 2 million views across platforms. My goal from the get-go has been to provide data, information, and perspective for our community as we navigate through some of the most challenging times of our lifetimes. I hope that our content has provided many of you with the information and talking points not only to survive, but to lean in with confidence and boldness. If there's one message I want you to hold on to during the holiday season, it's unity. We all have a stake in the image, perception, and reputation of the Latino brand, and together there is no limit to what we can accomplish as a community. Make it a point in 2026 to prosper financially, because you're no good to us if you're not successful. Partner your business with someone new from our community and try to lift someone up who needs a break. We've all needed one from some time in the past. So Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and thank you for your support. And I want to spend one more moment thanking 3 special people: Catherine Wood, Cesar Vargas, and Omar Tejeda, who behind the scenes have made this series something special. Thank you again, and have a wonderful holiday season.